Hi everyone, it's Lynnea and welcome to my first video for the iCrafter design team. So this is a brand new company and Linda Canese is the head of this new iCrafter company. She's designed all these fun interactive dies, and so today I'm going to show you just a little peek at the zip gift tags dies. These are so fun. You have this basic tag die and you want to cut this twice, once from just plain, and that's going to be your backer for the tag, so that I cut that from the white cardstock. The front of the tag I'm going to cut from the pattern paper, and I'm also going to align the actual zip pull tab part up at the top. This pops right in to the base tag die, which is so fun. You don't have to like die cut this multiple times. So for the pattern paper for the front of my card, I laid down and taped down the base of the tag, and then I popped in that little zip die here, and this is what you can see. You can pull this and it's going to reveal, you can put like a little note in there, but it's perfectly sized for a gift card. Now there's also other windows in here, so you could cut like a Christmas tree, a little house, a present, a flower, and then there are words, and when you die cut these sayings, it actually like cuts into the tag. It's not like an actual sentiment. It kind of is like an inlay style, but an easy inlay because you don't have to actually do any of the work. So I cut the heart shape from the Heart Hands Wiper. This is another die from the January release, and that's going to kind of be like my focal point on the front of the tag. And originally I wasn't going to add a sentiment. I was thinking about using that love from the Heart Hands Wiper, but I went back and just kind of aligned the tag. I puzzle pieced my die cut tag back into the die, taped it on, and popped in this For You sentiment. And here you can see that little sentiment strip fits right into the die, just like the zip tag part did. And then you can see how it's kind of this fun inlay style sentiment. It's so, so cool. I'm going to back this sentiment with a piece of black cardstock because the front of the tag with the rainbow pattern paper is so busy. The sentiment I felt was kind of getting lost, so I'm going to back this with a piece of black cardstock, and that way you can really see that sentiment pop. Now it's time to assemble the tag. So this is the first piece that I die cut from white cardstock, just the actual base tag alone with none of the extra pieces. I have some 1/8 inch tape, and I'm going to run this all around just the outside of that base tag. You want to make sure you keep this to the outside. You could use a thin like beaded piece of glue if you wanted to. That would work just as well. I like the double-sided tape. I feel like it gives me that assurance that it's going to hold tight immediately. So add that tape all the way around the outside, and then you can see that a gift card will fit right in the center of this tag. You're going to apply the front of the tag on top, and I just burnished that down with a bone folder just to make sure that that was going to hold. And you can kind of see the outline of that gift card on the back there. And now when you stick your finger under and like kind of pull up this little pull tab, the gift card peeks right out. It's perfectly placed in the middle. So I really hope you enjoyed this look at the zip gift tags dies. So many fun possibilities for these tag dies. You could do any kind of inking technique on the front to really liven and brighten up these tags. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.